Hi, Flor. Lovely to see you, and thanks so much for joining us today. Could I just get you to just introduce yourself?
Yes. Hello, Siobhan.
Mm.
Very good to see you as well. Well, I'm Flor. I'm a Spanish girl, and I came to London to develop my career in the wedding industry. So I just found Miss Siobhan, and I decided to start the course with her because she got so many years of experience, and she knows the markets really well, and she's such a nice person. And in every class I was enjoying, and with all her passion that I share as well, I was just enjoying every day, every single day, and I learned a lot from the best, I could say.
That's great to hear. And what was your background, Flor? Why did you choose this course?
Right. Well, as I said, I'm Spanish, and what I was doing in Spain was organizing and coordinating weddings. So when I came here, I wanted to do the same, but I knew that I have to start from the bottom. So I wanted to gain all the experience and all the knowledge that you have here in the English market. So that was one of the reasons and what I was doing
Hmm. And,
in
af-
Spain.
and after the course, after completing the course, what did you go on to do then, or what are your plans?
Well, my plans from the start, all this time, it was all the time getting experience and improving myself, improving my skills. So for one day, maybe open my own company, but for the moment and for this period of time, I'd rather to just get experience.
I think that's really wise, because particularly when you're moving into a new marketplace, I think the thing about our industry is you make the contacts by being immersed in it, don't you? So you're getting the experience by working, but also building up the various contacts and getting an idea of maybe of what direction you want to go, whether it is planning or design, or whether you're more interested in general events or just weddings.
Well, firstly, I prefer just weddings, but I'm more than happy to do also different kinds of events. I'm ready as well. I was doing as well in Spain, so many different events.
Hmm.
So yes, I was
Great.
trying to find yes, any new challenge here.
No, that's great to hear. And what made you want to come into the events or wedding industry?
Here in London, because as I mentioned, in Spain I was doing that, and it's my passion. I love weddings. I love to see couples happy in their special day, um, gi- give them everything, doing everything for them, um, try to get everyone happy, with all the needs done. I don't know.
No, I think that really summarizes it. I think one thing about this industry is you have to be passionate about it, don't you? You have to enjoy it. I'm not saying it's the hardest job in the world, but it's also not the easiest.
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah, and you have to be driven by wanting to create this perfect experience for everybody, which is hugely rewarding in itself, isn't it?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, we have to create such an experience for them, but we are with them all the way. We enjoy with them, so we have to think for them, anticipate with their thoughts. But
Mm.
for me, it's quite easy because I enjoy it.
Good, which is, as we say, is the key thing, isn't it?
Yes, is the key here. Because if
Thanks.
you don't, well, here and in everywhere, because if you don't like what you're doing, yeah,
And it's also about being happy and fulfilled in what you do as well, isn't it? So
yes,
I think maybe in doing a course such as the certificate in wedding and event planning, it also helps to endorse that you've chosen the right thing, doesn't it? It gives you real insight into it.
yes. Yesterday, actually, I was reading all my notes from you
Oh,
from the course.
really?
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
actually, I got a lot. I didn't remember. It was like a huge pile of paper. And in one of that, you were saying that is so my notes was saying you don't have to meet them in person. You just make them a call, video call. And then when I read that, I thought, oh my gosh. So now we are forced to do that. So we have to get into it. So we just need to learn, I think. Yes. But yes, it is what it is right now. And everyone is doing this from home, they're studying from home, starting new things, getting new skills. So
yeah, but just out of interest, how are you using this time? Are you finding anything to do, Flor?
yes, I just learning calligraphy.
Oh, right,
So yes, maybe one day I can do the stationery for the weddings.
All right. Well, really lovely to see you. Hugely appreciate you doing this.
I missed you. I missed you because we just met on the course, and then after in the meeting, do you remember it?
Yes.
But so, and then after that, I never see you again, but I'm really happy to see you again. And you are doing well, and I'm really proud of you because I really admire you. You are the best here in England in that industry. So I really, really admire you.
Oh, bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Well, stay well and we'll keep in touch, Flor. Thanks again.
Okay,
really, really
perfect.
appreciate
Same.
it. All right.
A
Bye-bye.
lot of love. Have a lovely day.
You
Take
too.
care.
Bye-bye.